I call you Rose, 'cause you're sweet like...
Is a popular open-source microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P, and the name Uno means one in Italian. It has two types, SMD and DIP. SMD, also known as surface mount device, is mounted directly on the surface of the board using surface mount soldering techniques. DIP refers to the Atmega 328P microcontroller being housed in a dual inline package, meaning it has two rows of pins that can be plugged into a socket or through holes in a PCB, making it easily replaceable. Let's start the activities. Problem: create a program that will alternately turn on and turn off all the odd and even digital pins of Arduino Uno every second. This Arduino program makes the odd-numbered digital pins, 1 to 13, blink in alternation with the even-numbered pins. It achieves this by turning on the odd pins and off the even pins for 1 second, then reversing the states for another second, and repeating the cycle.
The next thing that we will show you is the code for this activity. Here in the set of functions, we have to declare all the pins that we are going to use. So in order to avoid repetitions of lines, we will use a for loop functions. We have 0 to 13 pins and we will set it to output. In a for loop functions, we have three parameters. The first one is the declarations of the variable I for storing the count for the for loop. Initially, it is set to 0. Second is the conditional parameter for the for loop. We will set this to the count or variable I is less than or equal to 13, meaning that this will iterate as long as this condition is true. For the last parameter, it is the incrementations. It just add 1 by default to each cycle or iterations of the for loop functions. So next is our loop functions. We have to code the alternations of the even and odd output pins. So in order to minimize the code, we will use another for loop functions to iterate through even and odd numbers. For the even pins, just by making these incrementations to 2 instead of the default of 1, we can skip the odd numbers, only the even numbers. In the code for the odd pins, you can copy and paste this for loop and change the starting count for the first parameter to 1 instead of 0, since we are in odd numbers. So basically, the flow of this code is if the even pin is in high or on state, the odd pins must be in low or in a low off state. After some delay time, let's say 1 second or 1000 milliseconds, the output of even and odd pins will change vice versa. And after we put the code, we have to verify it by clicking the check sign in the upper right corner. And we can see we didn't get any errors.
The first thing we will do is open Proteus. Next, we will place the Arduino Uno in our Proteus workspace. After that, we will add 13 resistor with a value of 220 ohms, 13 blue LED. Pin 13 is connected to R1 in D1. Pin 12 is connected to R2 in D2. Pin 11 is connected to R3 in D3. Pin 10 is connected to R4 in D4. Pin 9 is connected to R5 in D5. Pin 8 is connected to R6 in D6. Pin 7 is connected to R7 in D7. Pin 6 is connected to R8 in D8. Pin 5 is connected to R9 in D9. Pin 4 is connected to R10 in D10. Pin 3 is connected to R11 in D11. Pin 2 is connected to R12 in D12. And last is Pin 1 is connected to R13 in D13. Next, connect all LED and resistor to the ground. Finally, we will upload the code to Arduino. First, click on the Arduino Uno board, then click Program File, locate the exported compile binary, and find the file with .hex extension, and upload it to start the simulation.
Step 3. Create a circuit. First, connect all the LEDs to the breadboard. Make sure the negative legs of the LEDs are connected to the ground or the negative rail of the breadboard. Two colors of LEDs were used, red for odd numbers and green for even numbers. Next, place a 220 ohms resistor on each LED, connecting it to the positive leg of the LEDs. Once all the components are attached to the breadboard, connect the wires from the resistors and to the digital pin on the Arduino. Connect the red LEDs to the odd numbered pins and the green LEDs to the even numbered pins. Lastly, connect a wire from the ground to the Arduino pin.
The Arduino program cycles through digital pins 213. Toggling odd and even pins states it creates an alternating blink pattern by turning odd pins on and even pins off for 1 second, then reversing the states for another second, repeating indefinitely.